Welcome back to Clinics. I'm William.
And I'm Sophia. Today we're diving into something we all deal with: screens, sleep, and those famous blue light glasses.
Are they really helping us rest better or just another overhyped wellness trend? Let's jump in.
Hey William, have you seen those ads for blue light glasses? They say they help you sleep better.
Oh yes, I even bought a pair last year. Wore them like a superhero for a week.
Did they work?
Kind of, but not like magic. The idea is blue light from screens messes with your brain. It blocks melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy.
That's why I can't sleep after late night scrolling.
Exactly. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Glasses with special filters block some of that blue light.
Okay, so it's not a scam?
Not totally. Some studies show they might help a bit with sleep, but the bigger issue, we're just on screens too much.
True. Even kids now stare at tablets before bed.
Right. Glasses help a little, but experts say the best fix is cutting screen time 1 hour before sleeping.
So blue light glasses are like a small helper, not a total solution.
Exactly. And some cheap glasses don't even filter much. You need the right lens, and even then, sleep hygiene is key.
Sleep hygiene? Sounds like brushing your pillow.
Not quite. It means habits that support good sleep. Dim lights, no caffeine late, relaxing before bed.
Got it. So blue light glasses. Helpful, but not magic.
Yep. Use them if you like, but don't skip the basics. Screens off, lights low, brain calm.
Thanks for watching Clinics.
Like, comment, share, and let us know. Do blue light glasses work for you?
See you next time.